Hello, student. Welcome to class 11. So, in mathematics, we are going to start with the chapter called sets. Now, what is a set? All right, set. Any well-defined collection of object is called a set. Now, listen carefully. Listen very carefully. So, I am explaining each and every word from the definition of set. All right. First, object. Anything which we can touch and we can see is called the object. We are object. The scale is object. All right. So there are so many objects around us. So object, you can understand the numbers. All right. If you are talking about the mathematics, the number, all the numbers we consider as object. The seven colors of the rainbow is okay. So now collection is a group. You know what is the meaning of collection? So group. So a set is a group of object. All right, what type of group is that? Well defined. Now what is well defined? This well defined is very important out here. Many of you get confused with this word called well defined. Well defined means which is described properly, which is defined properly. All right, well defined means it should be true for everyone. Suppose if I say the best five cricket players, all right, best five cricket players, so today they must be the best, all right, but after few years they will not be best, so it's changing with the time. So this is not well defined. All right, the boy who comes first in class, all right, that boy, he came first in class in first term, he came first in class in second term, but in third term he didn't come first. So that is contradicting my definition. So it should not contradict. All right, if I say seven colors of rainbow, seven color of rainbow never changes. VIBGYOUR. All right, it is always fixed. The vowel of English alphabet AEIOU, it is always fixed. So this is well defined. The vowel of English alphabet. All right, most handsome person in the film industry. For me, all right, for me, Amir Khan is the most handsome. For you, Saruf Khan may be most handsome in Bollywood. For him, all right, Salman Khan may be handsome. Okay, so it depends from person to person. So this is not well defined. All right, this is not well defined. But if I say first five natural number, what are first five natural number? One, two, three, four, five. It is fixed. So properly defined. Well defined means it should be properly defined. All right, the best five football players, they may be best for someone, right? They may be best for this time. After 1 year, another best may come. So it is not well defined. Well defined means it should be true every time. All right, it should be true for everyone every time. Well defined. All right, suppose if I say first five whole number, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it is fixed, it cannot be changed, you cannot change anything out here, so it is fixed. So this is well defined. Example, see, all colors of rainbow, colors in rainbow. All right, you know the colors of rainbow, VIVGYUR. First five natural number, first five natural number is same in whole world wherever you go. All right, so all prime factors of 36, prime factors of 36, you know prime factors, all right, 36, which are the which are the number, prime number, which can divide 36, 2, 3. All right, prime number 4 is not the prime number. Okay, so all the prime factors of 36. Okay, this is also the set. All right, these are all sets. So well defined, I explain you. So if you form a group, if you make a group of object which is well defined, which is well defined, which is true for in all cases, that is called a set. All right, now see, something you have to remember out here, the set are usually denoted by capital letters. The set are usually denoted by capital letters: A, capital B, capital C. So the name, all right, how to name the set? A set is always named by the capital letter A, B, C, whatever you can write. All right, first five natural number. All right, for example, a set of first five natural number. So which are natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I named it as set A. Okay, this is A. So this is first five natural number. Okay, set A. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See, set is written inside the this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is written inside the braces. always third bracket. All right, always curly bracket. You have to use always the curly bracket. No other bracket is entered out here. Okay, so curly bracket. Set is always written in curly bracket, and between two numbers, between two objects, there should be comma, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. The way of writing the sets. All right, so here this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the members or the elements of a set A. So these are called the members or the elements of the set A. All right, here 2 is the member of set A. 2, here you have 2 in set A. All right, so we write it as 2 belongs to A. See, this is belongs to sign. 2 belongs to A, or you can say 2 is contained in A, or you can say 2 is a member of A, set A. All right, 7 is not the member of A. Do you have 7 in this set? No. So 7 is not the member of set A. So we write 7 does not belongs to A. 7 is not the member of A. How we are, I'm reading, see, 7 is not the member of A. Okay, now next is representation of a set. All right, representation of a set. How do I represent a set? All right, how to write the set? There are two ways of writing the sets. All right, there are two ways to represent the set. There are two ways to represent a given set. All right, first is called roster form or tabular form. So in this form, we list all the elements of the set within the braces, that is curly bracket, and separate this by commas. All right, and separate this by commas. Okay, separate this by commas. Now, set of vowels in English alphabet. Which are the set of vowels in English alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. Now see, so in roster form, what we do, we give the name of the set. Suppose this is a B. All right, we write curly bracket, and what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. We write the element. We write the original element. A, I, O, U. Vowels is A, I, O, U. So we write the vowel A, I, O, U and comma within this. All right, to each element. Set of even natural number less than 15. Which are the even natural number less than 15? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are the even natural number less than 15. So within the braces means curly bracket, and between two elements there should be comma. This is called the roster form. Set of first five natural number. Which are the first five natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside the braces or the curly bracket, and between the two elements you have to write the comma. All right, so this is D. Now next is very important. Now see, next method is called the set builder form, or it is also called the rule method. All right, set builder form or a rule method. Now out here in this method, I've written definition out here, but I'm explaining. In this method, what we do is we write the set in different way. What we do is will not write, suppose set of five natural number. What are the first five natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Will not write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll write the characteristics of this set. All right, we'll write the characteristics of the elements in a such a way. We'll write the characteristics in such a way that by reading the characteristics or by reading the property, you'll understand what we are talking about. All right, suppose the person who played who was the hero in Happy New Year, Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, so I'll not name Shah Rukh Khan. Instead of naming him, what I'll do is I'll tell the properties of, I'll tell the characteristics of Shah Rukh Khan. All right, it is different characteristics. So by telling his characteristics, you can easily understand that I am talking about this person. So same way, set builder form. So in this form, what we do, in this form we write a variable. What we have to write, we write a variable. We will not write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll write a variable, say x. All right, representing, say x, representing, all right, representing any member of the set, which is followed by a colon. Then we'll write a colon, and thereafter we write the property satisfied by each member of the set, and then enclose the whole description within the braces. All right, so see, what we do is set of first five natural number. Which are the first five natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, in roster form we'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but in set builder form we'll not write 1, 2, 3, 4. Name of the set we'll write A, curly braces. Okay, we always write set in curly braces. Now we'll not write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set of first five natural number. First five natural number we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we are not allowed to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because this is a different way of writing a set, representing the set. How will represent? X is such that this column is read as such that. All right, x is such that Now what type of number we are talking about? Natural number. So what is x? X is a natural number. X is an element of this set. What I mean to say is, we'll now describe the set in general way. All right, suppose if I say Haris is in class 11 science. All right, now instead of telling Haris, I'll say that this boy or that boy is in class 11 C. I'm talking in general. All right, so x, now x will write in general. What is x? The element of this set is x. Now you have to define x in such a way that you can easily understand that I'm talking about the natural number. So what is x? X is a natural number. And how many natural number are there in this set? The natural number, first five natural number. Which are first five natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so x is less than 6. Which are the natural number less than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to list the property of the element out here in such a way, by learning that property, by reading that property, you will easily understand what type of set we are talking about. So this is how we represent the set in set builder form.